times of getting lost with you, getting lost with you. Far from everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you, getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
What's up, Team T, baby? I hope you guys enjoyed this little at-home mini workout. I actually just got back from the gym and decided to do a couple of my finishing touches up here at home. So give these a try. And yes, of course my socks are going to be dirty. I'm saying this because of the last video that I did before, and people have to say stuff about dirty socks. Okay, these socks, first of all, over there, they're not white. They're supposed to be like a gray, like an offset, like gray kind of, what is it? I don't know, like a tan nude. And yeah, they actually look already like they're dirty, but they're not. But now they're going to be, of course, because I'm sliding around on the wood floor showing you some at-home workouts. So grab some dirty socks and get started. Okay? Okay. TV, baby! How are you guys doing today? It is a rainy, gloomy day, so you know what that means. Time to make something sweet for this sweet tooth. And what do you guys think about my new little sign? Anyways, today we're going to make vegan chocolate cake. It has my heart. It's so good. It's so moist and creamy and good and delicious, and you must try this. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. It's that good. It's made from garbanzo beans, my favorite bean, which you could do everything and anything with this dang protein bean. Vegan chocolate, chia seeds, which are super good for you, and by the way, they have 3 times more the amount of omega-3 fatty acids that you need that you could find in salmon. So there's your replacement. Let's see, what else? Dates. Oh my gosh, my favorite sweetener. So there's no sugar. Obviously it's vegan and dairy free, so almond milk. No sugar, so the dates are the replacement for any type of sugar to make it sweet. It's gluten free. I mean, what more can you ask for? And it tastes so good. But yeah, I hope you give it a try. Okay, so first we are going to drain our garbanzo beans and get rid of the juice and just use the beans. Then we're going to make our chia eggs. So here in my bowl I will add 2 tablespoons of chia eggs and almond milk to make my chia eggs. And our dates are soaking in some hot water for about 30 minutes. And we melted our chocolate. Now let's put this together. Okay, now we have the oven preheated to 360, and we're going to place it in for about, well, 30 minutes, and then we will check it. Rule to baking: you must eat the batter. So while I'm waiting for my cake to cook, today for lunch I made a super simple raw vegan salad. Oh, and I'm also going to put some garbanzo beans on top. But it's a bunch of vegetables, avocado, and I made my own salad dressing. I had a really heavy, like, mid-breakfast lunch, like after the gym. So I'm not too starving, and I'm probably going to make a big dinner. So this is my simple salad. It's so good. I love all veggies. Don't discriminate on your veggies. Eat them all. Now it's time for the taste test. Wow, this is so good. I love when recipes come out so on point. Please give this a try, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.